If you're in New Zealand, you need one of these backpacks. It's got everything you need in case of a natural disaster like a flood, earthquake, or tsunami. You've got a massive first aid kit, food rations, water storage and purification, a radio that charges your phone, a torch with extra batteries, glow sticks, a multi-tool, high-vis vest, earplugs, rain poncho, gloves and face masks, and an emergency blanket. You get rope, duct tape, and a whistle, and some hazardous waste bags that you can use in an emergency to, well, you know, soap, tissues, wet wipes, toothpaste, toothbrushes, sanitary liners, and of course hand sanitizer. There's a notebook, a pen, and a marker, and even a pack of cards you can play Snap with. Snap. There's waterproof matches, and there's also a medicine bag so you can store all your prescriptions. There's also a guide of what to do in different disasters, as well as a personal emergency planner straight from Civil Defence. Everything's stored in zip bags so you can easily get them in and out. The bags are lightweight, durable, and waterproof. They're a decent size too, so there's plenty of room to add extra bits and pieces, like clothes, socks, or bits and pieces for your pets. These backpacks are bundled with all the essentials you need in a natural disaster, so you can get disaster prepared with ease. Jump online and order one today.